Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to limit maximum number of connections in mobile hotspot for your phone Moto G04. Okay, first of all go to settings of your phone here, then go to network and internet, and here click on hotspot and tethering and click over Wi-Fi hotspot and click on more hotspot settings. Here click on maximum connection, max connections, and maximum connections as of now 10. Okay, if you want to limit number of connections you can choose from the available options, up to 1 you can choose. Okay, so here I just set it to 4 devices, so maximum 4 devices can be connected to your hotspot if it is turned on. Okay, so in this way you can easily limit number of connections for mobile hotspot in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.